the previous session, we had discussed about what is error, which are the types of errors, and we studied what is absolute error. In the today's session, we will study about the relative error and the round-off error. Let's see relative error. It is the measure of the uncertainty of measurement compared to the size of the measurement. It is used to put error into perspective. It is also known as approximate error or normalized error. It is calculated by the formula ER equals to EA upon mod of XT, where ER is the relative error and EA is the absolute error and XT is the true value. This formula can be modified into ER equals to mod of XT minus XA upon mod of XT, that is equals to complete mod of XT minus XA upon XT. In the same way, percentage relative error can be calculated by the formula ER into 100, percentage relative error. This is the formula for percentage relative error. For example, in the given question, data may be given and they ask find absolute error, relative error and percent relative error. Let us consider they given us data true value 12.50 and approximate value 12.05. Let us firstly calculate absolute error. The formula for absolute error is EA equals to mod of XT minus XA. Putting the given values in the formula, we get mod of 12.50 minus 12.05. Therefore, the answer is mod of 0.45. The final answer is 0.45. This is our absolute error. Now, let us calculate relative error. The formula for relative error is ER equals to EA upon mod of XT. We already calculated EA. By putting the value of EA in the formula, we get 0.45 upon mod of the value of XT is 12.50. The final answer is 0.036. Therefore, relative error ER equals to 0.036. Now, we calculate percent relative error. Therefore, percentage relative error, that is percent ER, equals to 0.036, that is the value of ER into 100. We get 3.6. This is our percent relative error. Now, we will discuss about round-off error. What is round-off? Round-off occurs because computer uses fixed number of bits and human uses its extraordinary habit to represent a number. Hence, continuously using such methods, the output changes by mistake. In numerical computations, round-off errors are introduced at every stage of computations. Hence, though an individual error at a given numerical step may be small, cumulative effect or repetitive effect can be seen significantly. Rounding a number by dropping the extra digit can arise error in the number. If we are using computer with fixed word length 4 digits, then the truncated representation of the number 73.3451 will be 73.34. Now to evaluate the error in the given number, let us consider the normalized representation of the given number, that is equals to 0.723451 into 10 to the power 2, that is equals to 0.7234 plus 0.00051 into 10 to the power 2. This can be represented by 0.7234 into 10 to the power 2 plus 0.00051 into 10 to the power 2. This can be represented by 72.34 plus,
this number can be represented by 51 into 10 to the power minus 4 and into 10 to the power 2 as it is. Therefore, is equals to 72.34 plus 51 into 10 to the power minus 4 into 10 to the power 2 is equals to 51 into 10 to the power minus 2. This is the final answer, that is our round of error. Thank you.